Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The Best Tile Levelers is probably one of the most overlooked tools in tiling, yet it dramatically impacts the final look and longevity of your project, ensuring perfectly aligned tiles, saving you time and frustration, and ultimately resulting in a stunning, professional-looking finish that will last for years to come. So let's dive into what makes a great tile leveler and how to choose the right one for your next tiling project. Number 5. DGSL Tile Leveling System. This innovative system makes tile installation easier than ever. It ensures perfectly flat surfaces every time, saving you time and effort. Whether you're a DIY enthusiast or a professional, it simplifies the process. Say goodbye to uneven tiles and hello to a beautiful, professional finish. It uses 300 clips to keep your tiles perfectly in place during the setting process. This prevents movement and ensures a flawless result. It's suitable for tiles ranging from 3 mm to 12 mm thick. The included plier makes installation and removal quick and easy. With 100 reusable wedges, it's a cost-effective solution. Each tile only needs 4 wedges and 4 clips for perfect leveling. The kit includes everything you need: 300 clips, 100 wedges, and a handy plier. It's the complete solution for a professional tile installation. What we like. This kit has everything you need: clips, wedges, and a plier. Its reusable wedges save you money in the long run. If you're on a budget but want a professional finish, this is the best choice for you. What people say. This system is the equivalent of the QEP and other high-cost, name-brand tile leveling systems. It is easy to use, works well. These are a great value. They work very well and they are available in thicknesses not available at the local home store. The plier is easy to use, seems good quality consider the price. The spacer work well, easy to kick off from the bottom when the job is done. Number 4. Tile Leveling System Kit. This kit makes tile installation a breeze, whether you're a DIY enthusiast or a professional. It includes everything you need for a perfect, level surface. Made from high-quality plastic and stainless steel, it's built to last. The replaceable pins mean you can reuse it many times, saving you money. It's designed to work with tiles ranging from 8 mm to 12 mm thick, accommodating different tile sizes and gaps. The adjustment is easy and precise. No special tools are needed. Just insert the pin, rotate, and press the cover to level your tiles. It's that simple. This system significantly speeds up the installation process and ensures a beautiful, even finish. Say goodbye to uneven tiles. Get professional-looking results every time with this easy-to-use and cost-effective tile leveling system. It's the perfect solution for your next tiling job. What we like. This system's reusable components save you money. The adjustable design fits various tile thicknesses. If you value sustainability and ease of use, this is perfect for your project. What people say. When installing large tiles you need to be able to sometimes lift the tile slightly. The little metal tabs on these can do that. And you can install these after setting the tile down. I also felt like using these is faster than using the wedge system. Put the T down in the gap, rotate it, and push down the lever. They are not strong enough to level by themselves. I had to line 4 to 6 of them up to make any difference in leveling a 12 by 24 tile end. Number 3. DGSL Tile Leveling System. This innovative system makes tile installation easier than ever. It ensures perfectly level tiles every time, saving you time and effort. You get 500 reusable clips in this package, perfect for most tiling projects. They're designed for tiles ranging from 1/8 to 1/2 inch thick. Whether you're a DIY enthusiast or a professional, it simplifies the process. It's suitable for both wall and floor tiles. Say goodbye to uneven tiles. This system keeps everything perfectly aligned, resulting in a beautiful, lippage-free surface. Installation and removal are quick and easy. The clips are designed for simple disassembly, minimizing cleanup time. It significantly increases your tiling efficiency. It's a must-have tool for any tiling project, big or small. What we like. It boasts a large number of clips for bigger projects. The clips are designed for easy removal, minimizing cleanup time. If you prioritize efficiency and a clean finish, this is the ideal option. What people say. Easy to use and easy to break off. This clip system worked great for tiling my sunroom floors. I have never tiled before and the clips made it easy to keep everything in place when it dried. We've laid approximately 1,800 square feet of tile over an extremely uneven concrete floor, and this system made getting it all level a breeze. Number 2. Storystore Tile Leveling System. This innovative system makes tile installation easier and faster. It ensures perfectly even tiles every time, saving you time and effort. Use 4 clips per tile, or 8 for larger tiles. It's the perfect solution for keeping your tiles perfectly aligned. These durable wedges are reusable and cost-effective. They work perfectly with various tile spacers, holding tiles firmly in place. The kit includes 300 tile spacer clips, 100 reusable wedges, tile pliers, and a hammer, everything you need for a professional finish. The clips are easy to install and remove with the hammer. They help prevent tiles from slipping during installation. We offer a 90-day return policy and excellent customer support. Contact us if you have any questions. What we like. This all-inclusive kit comes with a hammer for quick clip removal. The easy-to-remove clips save you time and effort. If you want a hassle-free installation, this is the one for you. What people say. Much less expensive and easy to use. The rubber mallet makes it super easy to break off the clips after the thinnest dries. It was immediately clear just how effective this system is. As each wedge was placed, you could see the tiles evening out with each other. The leveling spacers were easy to use and worked perfect to keep the tiles level with each other. We also used a level to ensure the tiles were level to the floor. Number 1. Storystore Tile Leveling System. Tired of uneven tiles? This innovative system makes tile installation a breeze, ensuring a perfectly flat surface every time. It's designed for both DIY enthusiasts and professionals. Installation is quick and easy, saving you time and money. Say goodbye to lippage. It keeps your tiles perfectly aligned during the setting process, resulting in a stunning, even finish. This system significantly speeds up the installation process and reduces fatigue. It's the smart way to tile. With 400 reusable clips, it's perfect for projects big or small. No additional tools are needed for installation or removal. Achieve a flawless, lippage-free finish that will impress. It's the key to a beautiful, long-lasting tile installation. What we like. With 400 clips, it's perfect for large-scale projects. It ensures a fast and efficient installation process. If you need to finish a big job quickly and flawlessly, this is your best bet. What people say. Easy to use and highly useful for ensuring all the tiles are at the same height. This leveling system is amazing. I haven't laid tile before and it is straight and level. The spacers are easy to kick off when done and we use the broken tops to clean mortar from grout lines. Works great on large format tile. Remember to estimate amount of both parts needed. We had enough spacers but ran out of wedges. We needed on average 6 spacer wedges per tile and in some places more. We allowed thin set to harden for 3 days before removal. Easy enough to kick or use rubber mallet. Be sure use white or clear mallet. Black tends to mark surface. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.